So while Nick was wanting to leave, he found shorts he really liked. And so now he wants to look at shoes. So I decided to show you some things they have in the way of toys. These little Pokemon things are $6, and I'm glad he didn't see them. They have some Star Wars things. These are $1.99. That's not a bad price at all, is it? Whoops. Looks like people are trying to steal the little things out of him. You hear him calling me? What? Okay, I see you, buddy. He's so good. And they have those. Oh, these are not Star Wars. They're called... Oh, yeah, they are. I thought it just was a knockoff, but it isn't. It's actually Star Wars. Well, where are my eyes? Oh, my. All right, and there's some Ninja Turtles stuff. I remember when my boys used to collect every one of those. For the pet lover, have all this fancy pet stuff for the home. All you need is love and a cat. To have a dog is to know what it's like to be unconditionally loved. Yeah, I know this isn't a prepping video, but you can prep some dog food. Their dog toys come from like Nickelodeon and things like that, and they are always a lot cheaper here. Here we go. Well, that's expensive. Can of Love, Pain Relief, Canine Support. That's $15. I'm really surprised. I mean, and it says comparable value is only $20. I think that's just ridiculously priced. Here's a ham bone for $3. I don't give my dog these rawhide things, but they definitely have a lot of choices. This is $1.79 for Nutro Crunchy Treats, and that's 10 ounces. Howl's Kitchen Meaty Medallions, made in the USA, $3.99 for 12 ounces. So you can do some money savings here. You got Crave, Nutro, Wild Brett Frontier, dog foods. Here's their toy section. Squeaks, even if punctured. Oh yeah, we need that, but that's only $3.99. And when you have a dog going through dog toys like crazy, these are this is a good place to come. This is $10 for the Beefy Brute. You have little snakes, $4 things. We got Bambi bones. Oh, that's lovely. Lots of different things. And let's go look at shoes. And I turned my back for an instant, and Nick had the buggy loaded up with toys. It really looks like there's lots of empty shelves here. But let's go check out if we can get any good shoe deals. Okay, we know Nick doesn't want any of these, but here's an example of things they have. Now, you'll see, like, if you would go to the store, a normal store, you'd have a whole rack of a bunch of different sizes. Well, not at Gabe's. At Gabe's, you're going to find one or two sizes. These adorable boots are only $3, and they have only 2 pair of them. So if you will fit those next year, that's great. We've got these boots, Roca-wear boots. Those are a 10 men's. That's not a men's 10. No way. And I can't find the price. Let's see. No price. We've got snow boots, Bear Paws, $17. There's 2 of those left. And Nick just put other shoes in the buggy and didn't bother to check a size. And they will do this. It says the value is $120 and it's $50, so you still are going to pay some money here. I don't usually do that. What are these? A Gadenimex? I'm so out of it with brand names. And Nick, these are too big. You got to put those back.
No, they aren't.
Yes, they are. Just because you're wearing adult shoes now. So they must be getting a lot in or getting rid of a lot, and some of the things are by size. Really surprised. I've never seen it this empty before. Got these Fila slip-ons for 10. Fila tenors, 25. No. He just told me I'm no fair because I'm not getting him those shoes. We've got right here, buddy, these Columbia. See, but then they're a men's 7, which would be a ladies 9. Where's the price on those? Ugh. Let's see. You don't like those?
No.
Well, they wouldn't fit you anyway. They'd be too big. And I don't see the price. I probably, if I had 2 hands, I could find them. But I guarantee you they're going to be a heck of a lot less here than they would at someplace like Dick's Sporting Goods. Here's safety joggers.
Oh,
Wow, why doesn't anything have prices? This is crazy. Maybe they're just resetting the entire spot here. I have a pair of Adventure Tech boots, and they really worked out well for me. I paid $40 for them probably 6 years ago. I was going to get them resold. See, nothing here has prices. Yeah, they must just be putting this stuff up. Here we got muck boots. So I'm sorry the shoe department isn't really good for me explaining prices here, but at least you can see the selection, but it's also a spotty selection. It's like hit or miss. Here we go. We've got a pair of Carhartts that they say are worth $184, and they're selling them for $119. Okay, let's keep looking. Here's, let's see, we've got these little fancy things for $10. It says the retail is $19. A lot of this is still in boxes, so I'm pretty sure they're just setting this up. I do miss shopping with my daughter. When she was little, we would probably be buying all of these. These are so adorable. And $5. Are you kidding me? Let's see.
These are really nice shoes.
I was already here. Where? Those are really nice. They're really fancy, but they're like super huge.
No, they won't.
Nick, you're like, we could put water in there and that would be your new pool. Put them back on the shelf, buddy. Oh, look how cute.
Look at all of these.
So these are on clearance for $5, and they sold for $15 before that. And here's some more of the shoe selection, and like I said, it's not a wide selection. It's kind of always hit or miss. Look at these adorable slippers. They're so soft.
These are boy shoes.
I know. Then why are you in the girl aisle? Oh, here's boy shoes, but these are like, these aren't your size. You kind of need adult shoes.
They are pretty nice.
How much are those, buddy?
Fit me.
Okay, these are $20. It says they retail for $29, and they're RB. These are too big, RBX. Those are way too big.
Look.
So here's just a little sample of, I mean, I'm just showing you that if you like these, you look at them and then you can say, oh man, they're not my size. And then that's it. You move on because they're not going to have them in your size. These are a 9.5, $10 shoes. Those are really cute. I haven't worn shoes like that in ages. I'm all about the sensible shoes now. So before now, Nick was like, let's go, let's go. Now he doesn't want to leave. But they have a wide variety of bras, sports bras, except for you could see in here, it's like pretty pick through. I don't know why. They have shirts, panties, anything, socks, lots of socks. A lot of things in Gabe's, though, like I said, are slightly irregular. I don't think you find that too often with shoes, though. Here's RBXs that are too small. But if you're shopping for a child, let's see, they do have...
I really want shoes.
I can't see the price. Sorry. These are $10. A lot of it. I'm really sorry. No prices on a lot of this. Here we go. Here's some socks. 10 pair of socks, $6. Do they say irregular anywhere? No, I don't see anywhere where it says irregular. So that's actually a really good price. We have white and colors. And then here's some mukluk sandals. And now he wants to leave again because we didn't find shoes, which we are leaving. So here's some of the ladies' stuff they have. Pants. Coming upon some big purses, backpacks, things like that. It's impossible to show you everything, and even if I did, okay, this is pretty weird. And even if I showed you, by the time you come here, they may not have it. And that's the thing. You can go to one Gabes and they have 100 of something. You go to another Gabes and they have none of it. JBU shoes. Do they have a price on those? They do. $30. These look really comfortable. But not in my budget for today.